Okay guys, welcome to CSONS at home. Let's see what we've got in the box for the starter. We're going down a sort of kind of a Mexican-y, South American kind of route this week. So starting off, we've got some charred up veg, some tomatoes, runner beans from Hare Hill and some cauliflower. We've got some nice sweet corn just coming into season with some capers. We've got some yoghurt with some chipotle in it. It's kind of a thick yoghurt, labnary style. We've got some pepitas or pumpkin seeds. And then we've got like a pumpkin seed sauce. Got some spring onion and coriander and some lime and chilli. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take our charred veg straight onto the roasting tray. And in a fairly hot oven, mine about 200, for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm just going to warm up our red pipian sauce or pumpkin seed sauce. Warm that up really low. So these guys are nice and warm and sizzling hot. Okay, so our charred veg, we're just sort of going to dot around. Our capers and our sweet corn. Try not to spill everywhere. Then take our chipotle yoghurt. Trying to split it all evenly. And we'll take our warm sauce. Drizzle all over. Just empty my spring onions and coriander out on there. Sprinkle them all round. Try to make it so you can see everything still. Then I'm going to go with my pepitas. It's kind of like a warm sort of roast vegetable salad. Go in there. I've got some pickled chilli, which you don't have to put this on if you don't like the chilli, but we like the chilli. And then I'm going to put a wedge of lime on, and you can just finish with that when it comes to the table.